Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare healthy sweet potato salad. Take a bowl and add 2 cups of boiled and cut sweet potato. Add finely chopped onions and green chilies. Add chopped tomatoes. Add pomegranate seeds. Squeeze lemon juice. It will add good taste to the salad. Now add salt according to your taste. Mix everything properly and have it fresh. Sweet potato is good source of fiber, folate, vitamin A, iron. With added pomegranate, it gives you good energy. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the video.